It's Thursday, January 26th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat. And starting off with a bullish forecast for the price of gold, with a new all-time high predicted by China's largest publicly traded brokerage, CITIC Securities, convinced that with central banks around the world loading up on gold again, the bullion's price is headed for well above $2,000 an ounce. It's currently at about $19.40, or around $125 more than a month ago. Another day brings another punch in the gut for the lumber business. Vancouver-based forestry giant Canfor announcing the permanent shutdown of its sawmill and pellet plant in Chetwynd, while another company operation in Houston, BC is being temporarily shuttered, being redeveloped to produce so-called high-value products. The more you listen, the more you know. Canada's Business Beat is your daily go-to for the business news impacting you, with listeners in over 20 countries, on Twitter and wherever you get your favorite podcasts. A big ad for BC auction giant Ritchie Brothers, still not impressing investment firm Luxor, which has a 3.5% stake in the company, opposing the takeover of U.S. online vehicle seller IAA, despite some recent changes to the package, which will see Ritchie add more cash to the acquisition in return for a lower overall price. Regulatory approval still pending. Vancouver airport brass apparently not afraid to open themselves up to ridicule, announcing a two-phase public feedback process, inviting travelers to speak out about last month's holiday season flight disruptions. YVR.ca for more details. More tech-related job cuts to share, with consumer electronics retailer Best Buy eliminating 700 positions. Best Buy's latest quarterly profit down to $277 million from $499 million a year back. IBM as well announcing plans to reduce its workforce by nearly 4,000. And lower prices paying off already for Tesla, reporting that current demand for its electric vehicles is double its current production rate. The company showing a fourth quarter profit of $3.69 billion from $2.3 billion a year ago. And you're up to date for Thursday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.